glittering and meaningful occasion. And all week long, the football chatter has centred around this game and these talented teams. Which one will outwit the other in a stadium both packed and passionate? So many questions to be answered on a day of destiny. Well, it's true to say East meets West today. That's East London against West London, West Ham against Chelsea. I'm Derek Ray here on the commentary position, and my partner as usual is Stuart Robson. Stuart, you used to play for West Ham, albeit at the old Upton Park as opposed to this modern London stadium.
Well, I actually picked up Player of the Year award in 1988 when playing for West Ham against Chelsea. It was a big day. We won the game 4-1 and Chelsea were relegated. So I've got good memories of the game. Hopefully that's the case again today.
Well, let's see what happens. And a look at the West Ham 11.
Well, I think they have a nice balance to their team. A solid back four, two holding midfielders, three creative players in advance of them, and a mobile centre-forward. It's a good team.
Oh, hang on, Stuart. Big chance here. And a goal! That is a very bright start. Perfect way to open.
Well, just look at his movement. He knows exactly how to find space, and it's also a tidy finish. That's a nice goal.
So underway again here, 1-0 the score. Tomasz Soucek. In possession, Bowen. Mudryk. Gundogan. Shielding the ball superbly. Pulls it back. Will it be? And Areola acquits himself magnificently. Has a go. In it goes. He's made it a brace for himself. No stopping him apparently.
Well, here's the replay, and it has been coming. They've played some great football in this game, and they fully deserve this goal. Well, that's just what he wanted. He has to be happy with this performance. They've been good today.
So back underway with the scoreline standing at 2-0. Soucek. Really fine play to keep possession. Plays with a positional sense that is second to none. Commitment to passing and attacking. Gundogan. Chance to play it in. And a play for what will be a Chelsea throw. Gundogan. Must be. On the cusp of making it a hat-trick here.
Well, his finishing has been so good today, so that was a chance for the hat-trick, but I'm sure he'll get another one before too long.
And in the right position to read it. Bartlett. It's neat passing, confidence on the ball. Can he play it in? Gundogan. Brilliantly blocked. Asrcok. Sofal. And very nicely positioned to win it back. Gundogan. Bartlett. Well, there's a living, breathing example of positional sense. Well, the counter chance looks very real. Delightful pass. Under pressure, can he do it? Just the challenge that was required. And danger averted, well read. Well, on the cusp of the half-time interval, and I think it's fair to say they're enjoying this away day. Stuart, what have you made of what you've seen?
Yeah, they're playing really well here. They've controlled the flow of the game, they've won their individual battles, and they've created numerous chances. They're only...
Not out of the woods yet! Well, thank goodness for the goalkeeper.
Well, they're calm now, but that initial save was absolutely magnificent.
What can the Hammers do from this position? Well, disappointing end to the move. Arnold. Tomasz Soucek. In possession, Bowen. Paqueta. Can he find the right pass? That's what you call defending from the front. Possibilities here. Well, it's great when you can rely on your keeper. Noni Madueke. Nkunku has it. And there it is, the half-time whistle. That will do it for the first half here at the London Stadium. So off and running again, and there was a real gulf in class in the first 45. Will we see an improved effort from West Ham in the second? James. Bartlett. Chilwell. The ball back with West Ham now. Being pressed and pressed high. Chelsea will get the throw in. Mikhailo Mudryk. He thwarted the attack illegally. Perhaps a card is forthcoming. And following the infringement, a caution.
Yeah, no surprise there. That was always going to be a booking.
Substitution then. Let's see how it affects the match. Off the post and back in play. Just knocked it out of there. Well, transfer speculation is all part of football, and there's been quite a lot of speculation on this front, but the deal has now been confirmed, Stuart.
Well, this is probably his last big money move, but I would say he's still in great shape. He's still a top-class player, and one that will make them a much better team.
Setting off perhaps a little bit too much here. And Chelsea have given us away. Oh, good run this. Now what can he do with it? But really sticking to the task defensively. Mikel Merino. Oh, that's a super piece of defending. Fernandez. On to James. Nkunku. Might be a chance here. There it is! A fantastic goal, and no wonder he's off celebrating.
Well, as you can see, they finished this really easily. They don't give the keeper a chance, do they? That's a good goal. Well, no wonder he's delighted. They're bossing the game now.
Well, the ball is moving again, and Chelsea are quite simply running away with this. Said Benrahma. Maximilian Arnold has it.
The silver hatchback with the license plate GR55JKK.
Arnold.
Contact your nearest security guard.
Now with Emerson. Very quick thinking there. The drama of the Carabao Cup, and it's live with us here on EA TV. It's West Ham United facing Brentford.
Well, it's great to have a break from the league for the players and the fans. Everybody loves this competition, and so do I. It should be a good game.
Mikel Merino. On to Goretzka. It's with Mikel Merino. And very deftly cut out. Into the final 20 minutes. Superbly read and executed. Emerson. Chelsea have it back now. Might be a chance to break. James. And slipped through beautifully. Timely intervention. Well, he's gone back to give the free kick, the referee here. He tried to play advantage, but it didn't accrue. Time for a change then. Emerson. Fernandez. Now we're inside the final 10 minutes in this one. Good work from the Hammers to win back possession. The Hammers finding space on the flank. Well, didn't go to plan in the end. Well, as the second half draws to a close, we can reflect on a very fine Chelsea performance.
Well, what an excellent performance this has been. They've had complete control for most of the game. Their movement, clever passing...
Oh, they could be in here, Stuart. Oh, he couldn't outwit the keeper. And a double substitution it's going to be. Who can he pick out? Well, he'd love to have that delivery back. Oh, chance perhaps. And a wonderful diving save to deny the opportunity. Who can they pick out? Still not clear. Oh, nice ball. Oh, yes! It's gone in! And now a chance for them to revel in the moment.
Well, it's a very simple finish in the end, but his movement was really good. He just found himself a bit of space in the box when it mattered most.
A lopsided contest, 4-0. And the referee is going to add on 4 added minutes. This looks promising. Well, he stopped them in their tracks. Nkunku. It's with Mikel Merino. What to like about that pass? And that is full-time. Chelsea have prevailed. 3 points for them. What did you make of it all?
Well, I have to say, Derek, I wasn't expecting them to win their first 2 games, but they've done everything right. Can they now keep it going? That's the big question.